Welcome to the Safety Path, a space designed to build awareness through visual and practical learning. Here, we just don't talk about safety. We demonstrate safe and unsafe practices side by side so the risks are clearly understood. The goal is simple, to create a strong safety culture across every level of the site, because safety is not just optional, it is a responsibility that we all share. So this is the mandatory PPE zone. Every person entering the site must wear the required personal protective equipment like helmet, safety shoes, reflective jacket, goggles, gloves and other task-specific gears. PPE must be worn correctly, maintained well and replaced when damaged. Non-compliance doesn't just break rules, it puts lives at risk. Now I'll introduce you to Mr. Akshay, Safety Manager Abhi Arya, who is going to give us a demo of the PPE kit.
Hi, I am Akshay. I am the Safety Manager of Abhi Arya. I will call Mr. Puneet. I will show the demo of PP. Hi Puneet, please. In the PP zone, every person they must wear the hard hat, and that too perfectly they must wear the chin strap of the helmet, and the back ratchet they must tie it properly so that could not fall down. I am coming to the eye protection. So we are issuing the goggles particular for the daytime or night time. There is a different type of goggles to protect their eye. So I am coming to the reflective jacket. This is all we made mandatory also for each and every person going to the dark area, that will reflect, and we can understood the people are working in the dark area, and we can identify the people are there roaming or working. Finally, I came to the mandatory PP, that safety shoe. The safety shoe is completely mandatory in the construction industry, and they must wear properly with proper tightening the lace, and that to perfect size where they can get proper protection of the foot.
Working at height is one of the highest risk activities on any construction site. So this zone demonstrates the correct use of full body harness and double lanyards secured to proper anchorage points. Guardrails, safety nets and safe access ladders are essential controls. So working at height without protection is extremely dangerous and strictly prohibited. So this is the vertigo test zone. So the workers will be undergoing this test before climbing the high-rise structure during construction. So now I'll introduce you to Dr. Sayanya, who will give us the demo of this vertigo test. Hello Dr. Sayanya.
Hello.
So can you please give us the demo of this vertigo test?
Yeah, definitely. Let me call one of my colleagues to show you the demo for vertigo test. Now I have to check the BP for this person before going up to the ladder. Puneet, please go up, wear the safety belt and go straight at the end, come back and we will go and check the BP. After coming down, I have to check the BP again to tell the difference what's before and after, so that I can understand if he is fit or not to go up. You are fit to go. Please.
Scaffolding and formwork must always be erected by trained and authorized personnel. You'll notice the use of base plate, sole plate, bracing, guardrails and other proper access. Load limits and inspection tags must be clearly displayed. Any missing components, overloading or unauthorized modification can be a serious hazard. Safety also means protecting long-term health. Controls are in place to manage heat stress, dust, noise and vibration. Clean drinking water, sanitation facility, mask, ear protections are necessary. Regular health checkup helps ensure early detection and prevention. communication prevents accidents. Mandatory, cautionary, and emergency signages are displayed in multiple languages for a better understanding. Toolbox talks and safety meeting reinforce awareness, while near-miss reporting helps prevent future incidents. Excavation work carries high risk of collapse. Trenches must be properly barricaded and signposted with slopes, benching or shoring provided as required. Safe access and exit points are mandatory. Never enter the unprotected excavation. Collapse can happen without warning. Electrical safety begins with proper earthing and ELCB protection. Cables must be well insulated, routed safely, and protected from damage. The lockout tagout system ensures that the instruments are isolated before maintenance. Any temporary or unsafe electrical connections are strictly not allowed.
Being prepared saves lives. This area demonstrates different types of fire extinguishers and how to use them correctly. Emergency exits and assembly points must always remain accessible. Mock drills help teams understand their rules during emergencies, especially during gas cutting and hot work activities.
This is not just construction. This is craftsmanship, commitment, and a future vision coming together. This is Abhi Ventures, shaping skylines, building futures.